climb through this hoop. Sit down and let it fall. Splish splash, is that all? Okay, now wipe your bum. Wash your fingers and thumb. Try not to make a mess, but if you do, don't stress. Take a poop. Wipe your bum. Poop, 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 poop. Take a poop. Take a poop now. Poop, 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 poop. Take a poop. Take a poop now. Come on, let's wash our hands. Come on, we've got a plan to kill all the germs. Your turn. Make that water hotter. Scrub, scrub, scrub away. It's fun, it's a game. Let's see how long you can. Scrub and wash your hands. Use some soap. Germs are gross. Ew. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash your hands now. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash your hands now.